Hello and welcome to Alice Blue's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll discuss how to raise a support ticket through the Ant web trading platform. While navigating Alice Blue's website, if you run into any technical or non-technical issue, you can raise a ticket. So, first log into your Ant web application and go over to Apps, Raise a Ticket. Select your role in the first column. You can choose from Alice Blue Employee, Client, Authorized Partner or Other. Next, choose whatever query you're facing. If you cannot find it, select Other. Based on the query, the sub-query will change. So make sure to select the one that caters to your specific needs. If you can't find it, you can choose Other. Enter your contact details and your client code. You can find your client code in your profile section right beneath your name. Enter your email address. Select the importance and urgency of your query. If it requires immediate attention, select Urgent. Else, you can go with any of the rest three. Enter the title of your query. For example, the Ant dashboard freezes on access. Give a detailed description of your query for easier communication and fast error resolution. If you have any supporting documents such as a screenshot or a PDF or any other file of these formats, you can upload it over here. Click on Submit and one of our team members will be in touch with you soon to resolve your query. That brings us to the end of this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Alice Blue's YouTube channel. Thank you.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.